Hey, welcome back. Today I'll be talking about a feature that I recently discovered in Procreate called the Quick Menu. The Quick Menu is a menu that pops up on your screen, and you can have different quick actions just by tapping one of these 6 actions around the Quick Menu. And as you can see by the name in the middle, Quick Menu 1, you can actually have multiple quick menus. But the way you turn on a quick menu is to go to the wrench icon in the top left, go to Preferences, go down to Gesture Controls. Now here, one of the options is Quick Menu, and on the right, you can set how Quick Menu turns on. I have it set to tapping my Apple Pencil twice, and it will turn on. You can touch your finger to the screen and hold it to turn it on. You can do a 3-finger swipe. Whole bunch of different options you can do to turn it on. Do what works best for your workflow. Then once the quick menu is turned on and you pop it up, you can change what the options are for the quick menu. So I can tap and hold where it says paint, for example, and it'll go through all the actions you can choose to set that little button for the quick menu. Everything from no action, if you don't want that button to do anything, to a new layer, to the next frame if you're doing animation, to turning on the liquify tool. So you can pretty much do anything. Just to turn the quick menu off, you just tap the screen, it goes away. One thing I've noticed with it on my Apple Pencil too is I accidentally activate it a lot by tapping that little spot on the Apple Pencil. So I have to be careful the way I hold my Apple Pencil. But quick menu is a really good way to get some common actions you might use. Instead of having to go to the various menus, you can do it right through the quick menu. Thanks for watching. Check back next time for another tip. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. And I'll see you next time.